Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Today we are going to a place to visit it. Of course, we are here to visit my places as it is my winter vacations and to enjoy ourselves. And I'm not going to tell you where we are going because you can see it for yourself.
आइए सर आइए जानमुरी भेलपुरी आ जाओ अजी इधर आ जाओ इधर
Did you have any guesses where we came? Maybe or maybe not. If you had, then great, and if you don't, then I'm not going to tell you so fast. Wait for it, and surely I'm going to tell you. But last time when I came here, it was not like this. Maybe they did a lot of construction work here, and also they made it much cleaner. Guys, last time I came here, it was not that clean. Now in a few just the next scene, I guess after seeing the main monument you can guess where I came. Any guess before that by seeing the surroundings? And now I think you got it.
नीचे कूड़े सेंटर का सेंटर नीचे कोई फोन है अगर नीचे അവിടെ സെന്റർ को ചേർക്കാൻ പറ്റും ऑटो को तो जी के सम
This is the India Gate. And also one more thing. Can you see the names are written? So these are the names of the soldiers that died in the World War II. Okay, right? It is written on every soldier's name is noted there. You can't see like this, but if we zoom it, then you will be able to see. This is the India Gate. They started the lighting, so it's like green, white, and then orange. Indian flag.
ಅಪ್ಪ ದೇ ಹೋಗೋಣ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟೈಮ್ ಆಯ್ತು.
There are a lot of stalls here, as you can see, and now it's almost getting dark, you know, and I have to go home now because I'm tired. And I'll see you in our next video. Until then, bye bye, ma salama.